right, your bathroom.
We're going to the powder room together.
The powder room together, that's right.
Yeah, or our office.
Well, that's
We might go to
another
our
thing.
office.
This could even be in a bedroom.
Totally,
you know?
guest room, bedroom.
Guest room, exactly.
Your office, your powder room, your bathroom.
Yeah.
These are such quick makeovers, guys.
They are.
It's a real spruce little pick-me-up for your room.
And it sure beats that white plastic that you can buy elsewhere.
Yes.
Let me just say, this particular kit gives you the waste basket and the tissue cover.
I love
right here.
this.
And I'm telling you, this is heavy. This is not something that's just, you know, made out of kind of like a cardboard kind of thing. This is the same heavy gauge steel with the glass over it.
That's right.
So this one is your white flowers. How beautiful is that? Then we go to the royal check. We have the sterling check. We have the beautiful courtly check, like the black and white. And then the mocha check right there, brand new.
Love it.
I love it too.
So this is a really fun pairing of two of the most practical things that you absolutely need in your home.
Yes.
A lovely size waste bin. It's great. I want to tell you a little something about this waste bin.
Please.
I took one home and I put a great big orchid in mine. And it was really, I picked it up at the grocery store. Can I tell you how beautiful that was? So these are...
It could be a vase.
It could be a vase.
Yes.
It could be a wine bucket chiller. It could be, is that what they're called?
I think so.
Yep. But it's also the most beautiful
ice
waste
bucket.
bin and this boutique tissue box holder. So they're great in any room,
Wow.
period.
I'm telling you, this, again, like you say, could be the centerpiece
Why not?
of your dining room table or your kitchen island if you wanted it to be.
That's right.
And then I've got Kleenex in every room because between the 4 little grandkids that constantly have runny noses, and you wonder why Grandma gets sick. But
Okay,
anyway.
so Granny's not going to get sick anymore. Here's why. I'm not even kidding. So my son has this in his apartment. He's 25.
Yeah.
And okay, he's not the tidiest guy in the world. So you can just wash this out with soap and water.
That's
You
right.
cannot do that with most waste bins.
That's right.
So it's really easy to get germs out of.
These are beautiful.
They're wonderful, guys.
They are.
They
Here
are.
it is, $125. Here we have Mocha Check, the brand new color we kicked off yesterday. This is the Courtly Check. Do your home in black and white. Just do one room in black and white. Here's the Sterling Check, the Royal Check, and then the white flowers. How beautiful is that? And look at this. No two
Isn't that
sides
pretty?
are alike. It's beautiful.
I know. I love
Okay,
that art.
that sale price goes up at the end of the day. So just letting you know, the price goes up at the end of the day. Some of these pieces do get free shipping and handling, and